the RBI has done yesterday is increased weights on unsecured loans by consumer lenders. Of course, this is something that prevents a potential blowout within the financial space. One, do you agree with it? Two, would that somehow lead to this dampening of enthusiasm that is there at least on PSU banks, and your view on NBFCs, sir?
I think two things. One is they have increased the weights on unsecured lending, so which means basically in terms of real estate or automobile or even those sectors or education loans, they are not impacted. So which only it says the unsecured credit card lending, which have banks which have a greater exposure, banks like Kotak, Axis, to an extent, even HDFC Bank. Those are the ones, and in the case of NBFCs, the housing NBFC companies will actually kind of benefit because the situation remains unchanged. It is only those like Bajaj Finance, which have a greater consumer portfolio, which are likely to be impacted. So I guess, one of the things that we've seen in the credit cycle is there's been a pickup in unsecured lending. And I guess just RBI is being very prudent about trying to protect the balance sheets because the ROAs of all these companies, banks have improved in the last 2 years. And I think RBI wants to protect the balance sheet. And that's probably the situation, which is good for the longer term. But medium term, in the very short term, in these kind of banks, we are likely to see some amount of pressure.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.